So बच्चे one by one we will discuss the three types of rocks. First is igneous rocks. बच्चे most of the earth is covered. I already told you that the earth is full of rocks. Okay, but in igneous rocks, most of the earth is covered with igneous rocks. They are formed by cooling them or hardening the molten rocks. Okay, so बच्चे first is we have done the earth is full of rocks, and afterwards बच्चे one of the most important word is magma. So magma is, or we can say magma or molten rocks, it is the innermost layer of the earth. Clear? Firstly, we have discussed about the outer layer of the earth, that is called as the crust, and molten rocks we can say it is the innermost layer of the earth, which will push upward by other rocks, which will push upward by other rock. Clear? But listen, sometimes you already have seen that the soil which contains some cracks in it. Okay, same case is there. These rocks, when it reaches the earth surface, it flows through the cracks. The cracks are already present on the soil, that it flows out through the cracks, and that we can call as a lava. Clear? So some of the lava cools and hardens below the earth crust and form igneous rocks. Clear? So बच्चे different types of igneous rocks are formed. It will depend on the types of minerals. Clear? Next is बच्चे, there are the different types of igneous rocks. First is granite. बच्चे, there are the different types of igneous rocks. Okay, first is granite, second is basalt, and third is pumice. Okay, so बच्चे, first is granite. Granite is also most common igneous rock. बच्चे, in your daily life, granite is used. We are using granite in our homes to make a buildings. Okay, so granite is also type of a marble. It is also type of a hard rock which we are making. This is also type of a stone, we can say. Okay, in simple wording we can say it is a hard stone we are using to make a buildings. Clear? But there are the three type. They are the different granite is also in a different colors. First is white, second is grey, third is pink, and fourth is red. Clear? So बच्चे, granite contains three types of minerals present in it. I already told you rocks are made up of minerals. Clear? So granite is also contain three types of minerals. What are there? That these are quartz, mica, and feldspar. Okay, so what is the use of granite? It is used to make buildings and floors. We have discussed already. Second is basalt. But how it will form? Form means how it will make. Basalt is formed by quick lava cooling on the earth surface. Okay, so it is also black in color. Third one is pumice. But pumice is very lightweight rock. Okay, it is, and air will trap under the pumice stone, and it is very light in weight. Okay, so बच्चे, where it will use, it is used as a building material, like concrete blocks, small blocks we have to make. Teeth, we have dentists are also using pumice because they are using as a teeth polishing powder. Okay, and we are using as a scrubber to remove the dead skin from the body. Clear? So next is, बच्चे, first rock we have discussed here. So second rock is sedimentary rocks. All rocks on that surface slowly break down. बच्चे, it will take time to break all rocks. So turn by turn they are dividing. They are slowly break down into a smaller pieces. Clear? These smaller pieces we can call as a sediments. Is it clear? So बच्चे, these sediments are depositing on one another places. How? By running water. Running water will help you to deposit the sediments into any substance, or wind, waves will come. It will help you to deposit at one place. Okay, So they get deposited in layers at the bottom of lakes. But I already told you that in the oceans, lakes, rivers, salts are there. These salts are deposited on the substances which is present under the seawater. Is it clear to you all? So बच्चे, there are the different types of sedimentary rocks are there. First is sandstone. Sandstone is made from grains of sand. We are discussing the topic sandstone. Sandstone is made from, sandstone is made from grains of sand. Okay, it is of many colors. The colors of sandstone depends on the color of depositing sand. It contains grain of a mineral, quartz. The fame, we already have, all of you have seen that the Red Fort, which is situated in Delhi, that is made up of sandstone. Red Fort, okay, which we are saying that, and Qutub Minar also in Delhi, that is all are made up of red sandstone. So, bachche, next is metamorphic rocks. Rocks which are formed by the action of heat, pressure, we can call as a metamorphic rocks. Both igneous and sedimentary rocks can be changed into metamorphic rocks. There are also four kinds. First is slate, second is marble, third is gneiss, and fourth is quartzite. Okay, so first is slate, but everybody knows that there is also type of slate is also kind of a chalk which we are using on to make a blackboards. Using on the blackboards. So slate is formed from a soft shell. It can be broken, and see, this is the slate. Okay, so second is marble. Marble is the most commonly used metamorphic rocks. Marble is used from limestone, and it is found in various colors. Okay, so you have seen that marbles which we are using in our buildings, which we are using in floors. Okay, that will be red color, black, white. Okay, third is gneiss. The metamorphic rocks made from granite is called gneiss. It has parallel bands of minerals glitter because of mica. We can say that silvery marble. Okay, shiny marble we can say. Okay, next is quartzite. This metamorphic rocks is formed from sandstone that is rich in the minerals. It is very hard. It depends upon the weather. If weather is good, it's soft. Weather is hard, so it will be just rock. It is used in glass and ceramic industries. Minerals are chemical substances that occur naturally. Minerals which are chemical substances occur naturally. They are the building blocks of all rocks. Okay, minerals are identified by their hardness, if maybe it will hardness, color, density, and way they reflect light. But minerals, they have two types. Minerals may be metallic as well as non-metallic. Metallic minerals such as iron, which we are using at home, aluminium, copper, zinc, they are concentrated from the ore. They are using as a machines, coins, utensils. Metals like silver, gold, which we are making for jewelry.